Okay guys, you're here with Lion's Den Imagery and we're doing our first unboxing. Today, we'll see in a second what we got, but look at this box. I've never received a box from Nike with the Just Do It taping and the check on the side. I don't know if it's been that long since I bought shoes, but here we go. So today, we are going to unbox the Nike
Air Skylon 2,
Air
Fear of
Skylon
God.
2, Fear of God. Tag. It comes in an orange and white box. When you look online, the box actually, or it may even look to you, it looks a little bit more orange, but it's actually more so of a peach color.
Peach sorbet.
So
Sherbet.
let's pull the shoes out from the sliding box. One thing you'll notice is there's actually Fear of God on a tissue paper. I'm not sure if you can see that. Here we go.
Wow, check out the 3M.
I got a size 10. I've just realized this year that my foot is a little bit bigger than before. This kind of feels like a felt type of material. And it,
It's like felt and mesh and
yeah, in the middle, and online I thought it was a
suede.
different. Yeah, I thought it was suede online, but it's felt. Tongue is pretty thick. There's a nice Fear of God on the inside. Then we have these lace locks on it and shoestrings. Let's see. I've been told it comes with other shoelaces, and that is correct. We do have some shoelaces hanging off of here. They actually look to be just a little bit of a color variation, but they're similar to the ones that are actually in the shoes.
More of a cream. Flat laces.
Flat laces, which I'll probably never wear because I just really like these laces here. And then this is a patent leather here.
It looks very black, but in person it's more of a smoke gray. Smoke
What, this right
black
here?
color. No, the check. It looks
The
dark
check?
on camera, but it kind of looks smoky, depending on what angle you look at it.
I don't see that. Maybe if you're looking from afar.
Put it back close to the light.
Can you
Yeah,
see
it looks
the?
a little smoky, but it looks black on camera. Let's take a look at this suede felt looking fabric.
You loosen these up. Take a look
It's
on the
3M.
inside.
It is 3M. For
What's
Fear
3M?
of God on the side.
Well, that's good. That's one thing I was concerned about.
Oh, it looks, wow. It looks great on camera.
That's one of the things I was actually concerned about, is not being able to see this portion. So I was thinking about getting the black variation
With the bone.
or the bone.
The bone is coming.
But it
He
looks
said
like
it's coming soon.
it looks like
You know what?
It's not gonna be
It's
a
kind of like the statics that released. They look white with hints of gray, but it's actually in the light. It's 3M, like the Yeezy 350 V2s that just released. The static reflective pair.
yeah.
It's actually like that. So there's, even though the shoe looks mostly white or cream or off-white or bone or whatever color you want to call it, there are,
Have a look.
so there's 3M on the toe box.
3 on the toe box.
And the toe cap. And then there's also 3M here on the side where it says Fear of God. Is there 3M on the back?
There is no 3M on the back, but there is 3M here on the side.
Okay, that's just another aesthetic piece that comes with the Skylon too, I guess.
Yes.
And the tongue?
And the tongue is perforated and leather. On the inside, it actually says recrafted, and that's actually, Guys, this white colorway is going to be super slept on during the summer.
Actually, it's being slept on now.
It's being slept on now.
Summer comes.
So definitely by the summer, you guys are going to wish that you would have picked up the white ones.
I think they're going to be super crisp on feet. So stay tuned. We're going to come back with the on foot look.
Yes.
At the Nike Air Skyline 2 Fear of God.